Hello everyone, Daniel from KAD Designs and Audiophile Trading, and today we have two brand new products to launch for you. But before we get to the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Any comments, please leave them down there in the comment section. Let's get to it. So what we have is our straight section kit. We have our medium arc set, and we showed you guys this small arc set previously, and today as a special we're going to incorporate all of these shapes and take them across to the router and show you how you could do complex designs in a single pass. So as I mentioned, this is the first piece in our straight set. This is 18 inches long. Second piece is 12 inches long. Last up is a 6-inch piece. These are the same sizes as any piece in our combo set. Next up is our medium arc set. It starts off at a 28-inch radius all the way down to an 18-inch radius. It is a 5-piece set, first piece being 28 OD, 26 ID, and it nests exactly into the second piece, which is 28 by 24, going into a 24 by 22, 22 by 20, 20 by 18. The length of each section is 19 inches. It's 19 inches from this point to this point. They're all at 19 inches. As I mentioned, this is our small arc set. We've spoken about this before. And we're going to take you all over to the router where we have a small demonstration of how we're going to incorporate all of these into one piece. So as promised, here we are at the router station. And what we're going to do is take you through the different pieces we're going to use on our project piece. We're going to use the largest section, which is a 28 by 26, and the smallest section, which is a 20-inch by 18. If you notice, however, the larger the radius is, the less of a curve that you have. The smaller the radius, the bigger the curve that you have, right? We're going to use one of our straight sections. We're going to borrow a section from a piece we spoke about before, and this is something new. It's coming up shortly. So here we have our project piece. We might have used this before, and if you look at these concentric lines, radial lines, it's because we used this tool, right? And this is our center finding tool that we used before to get this. So what we're going to do now, using a standard Sharpie and this circle, we're going to use these lines just like this that we did before. We spoke about this. So now So basically what I've done is I've created a perfect outline for our router bed to trace on. So what we do now, we take advantage of our bearings that are double stacked. So if you can zoom in, we actually see that this is a double stack bearing. So what we do, we align the center of both bearings to the center cut of both of our pieces of template. As usual, safety first, and let's get cracking to cut this shape out in one single pass. Let's go. Using a standard pry tool, we can separate our templates from our piece. A little bit of air. So we've reached the end of the video. We want to thank all of our supporters and family, because at Audiophile Trading and KAD Designs, we are all family. Let me know if you like the video and how we've been doing so far in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please find us on Facebook and Instagram at Audiophile Trading and at KAD Design City. Thanks for looking, and we'll see you again soon.